Okay, so in this understanding, very short one slide, the myelination of nerve fibers allows for what is called a saltatory conduction. So we've already learned, we drew it, that in certain neurons, the axon may be covered by a fatty white substance called myelin, and that functions as an insulating layer. All right? So myelin is a mixture of protein and phospholipid that is produced by a special kind of cell in the peripheral nervous system called a glial cell. All right, so glial cells in the peripheral nervous system, and so therefore a Schwann cell is actually a type of a glial cell. Okay, so the main purpose then of the myelin sheath, the glial cell, is to increase the speed of electrical impulses and the transmission of it via what is called a saltatory, conduction. All right. So just to give you an overview, you can see in the diagram you have a neuron portion of an axon with your myelin sheath, your axon, and the node of Ranvier. So along unmyelinated neurons, not like this one here, the action potential moves sequentially along in a continuous wave because there is no myelin, there is no node of Ranvier. But in a myelinated neuron, the action potential actually hops, okay, between the gaps of the nodes of Ranvier, and this hopping is a saltatory conduction and results in the speed of the conduction up to 100 times faster. Don't hold me together on that times. Not all neurons in the nervous system, though, are insulated with myelin. The advantage of myelin, it improves the speed. Disadvantage, myelin takes up more space within the environment that you have. So regions of the nervous system composed of myelin appear as what we call, might be a term that you're used to, called white matter, while all others appear to be gray matter. So gray matter consists of cell bodies and dendrites, as well as support cells for the glial cells. So gray matter versus white matter. We see a lot of that with the human brain. All right, myelin, done.